Okay, this video will show you how to make homemade ice cream. So I posted the directions online. And so the first thing is you need to add 1 cup of milk. So I'm using half and half. It makes a little richer ice cream, but you can use regular milk or half and half. So I'm going to put in 1 cup. Okay, so I'm going to measure out 1 cup. Don't open that one yet. All right. So then you'll put 1 cup in your bag. Okay, go ahead, measure out 1 cup.
Where I need the measuring
There you go, okay.
No, that's not yours. Right here.
Okay. You can go, just put in what's left.
I can just put in what's left.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm bad at pouring, but how do you... Oops.
Okay.
I spilled.
Okay, then what you're going to do next is you're going to put in 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of, or 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, so here we go. So 3 of these.
Oh, that's sugar.
So 1,
2.
3.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. So put 3. You might have to add a little more sugar to it. Okay. All right, 3 tablespoons. Maybe just a little bit more because you put.
I just dumped the bowl. I'm tossing off.
Okay. Would you hand me the vanilla? That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, then you want to put in roughly about 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Oops.
Put the lid on that. All right. Now, after you get that done, you can put in any toppings if you want. In this bag here, I'm going to put some cut up Kit Kats. So we'll put those in. All right. Now you want to seal your bag, but you want to take out some of the air.
All year?
Some of it. And you want to mix it up a little. You want to mix it up so the sugar kind of dissolves.
This feels weird.
Okay. Now, after you do that, you want to get some ice. And so you want to fill this a gallon Ziploc bag. These are quart. You want to fill them about half full of ice. So that's good.
You gotta
Okay,
shake
so
it in well.
fill your bag about half full of ice.
Oops. I thought that'd work.
Okay, here, just pick this up on the counter.
Where's the sink?
Just put it in your bag. It's not gonna, you're not gonna eat it anymore.
It's dirty. Wait, I'm not gonna get to eat this?
Not the ice, no. The ice cream, yes. Okay, come on, get your bag filled. Here, no,
Oh,
that's my
yours.
bag.
Where's my...
I'll do it.
Oh, here's the ice.
Here. Okay. Okay, open it up. Okay, is that about half full?
No. There.
Okay.
Why didn't I just take that back?
All right. now what you need to do is hand me the rock salt. So you need to put 8 tablespoons of rock salt on top of the ice here. Okay, so 8 tablespoons.
We have enough. That's 4, I think.
6,
No,
7,
that's 6.
8. There's 8. Okay, so measure out about 8. You want to mix it up good.
And pour it.
No, just go ahead and put in more flour. Okay, mix it up good.
I don't think that's, I think that's less than 8, but somewhat.
Okay, you don't want to do it too hard. You don't want to put a hole in it. All right, now, here's a good tip. If you have some duct tape, you want to duct tape your small bag shut because you don't want any of the salt getting into your ice cream. So you
That's cool.
pull off enough to run the whole length of your bag, put it across the top, fold it down, and seal it up really, really well. That will keep salt from getting in your bag. You don't want it in your ice cream. Okay, then you put the small bag inside the big bag and seal up your big bag, getting as much air out as you can. Got it?
No, the edges aren't. Then what?
Put the big bag inside the small bag.
You mean small
That's
bag
small bag
of
inside the big bag, yeah. And you want to get as much air out as you can in the big bag so you can move your stuff around a little bit.
See, there might be a hole.
Alright, well, start mixing it around.
Is there a hole?
Nope, this good. Okay, try to get your ice cream surrounded by the ice. Now, I kind of wanted to explain how this is going to work here. So, here's kind of how it works. Okay, now ice cream, okay, let's say it freezes around -3 degrees Celsius, all right? Well, to get ice, which melts and freezes at 0 normally, we have to lower the freezing point or the melting point of the ice. So ice usually melts at 0, but what we did is we added rock salt. Okay, now what the rock salt does is it interferes with the hydrogen bonding in water. So water normally has a hydrogen bond between the oxygen and the hydrogen end. Well, when you add rock salt, which is sodium chloride, the sodium ion is attracted to the oxygen, the chloride ion is attracted to the hydrogen, and that keeps water, it prevents it or makes it harder for it to hydrogen bond with itself. And so the ions interfere with hydrogen bonding, and basically what that does is it lowers the freezing point and the melting point of the ice. So the ice, we're hoping by putting the rock salt in, it's going to go down and start melting at -12. And then what will happen, if I had a marker, all right, so then what will happen is the ice that will be colder than or warmer than the rock salt and the energy will flow from the ice cream into the ice salt mixture, and it will lower the freezing point below -3 and freeze it. And so what you have to do is just go and massage your bags around for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then it should be frozen. Okay, that's it.
Now that it's done, after you squish it, you open it and pour it into a bowl. Wait, yeah, pour, right?
Yeah.
Dump it? I don't know. You put it in a bowl.